Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to recover Twitter account without email and phone number. Now this will work both on your computer and on your Android or iPhone device as well. So yeah, we can get started. So here what you need to do is you need to select forgot password here. We can click on it. Once we click on it, we will need to be able to put our username here. So this will be the NFT sphere for myself. For you, it will be different username. And then you can click search. And here, as you can see, how do you want to reset your password? Now, we don't have access to this information, so we can click on this. And Twitter will connect us with their help center and their support team. Now, as you can see, we have a couple of options right here. We can contact us or we can click account access. Now, what we need to do is we need to go here. How can we help you with your account? We can click here and we can say, I'm trying to reactivate my account. Now, how can we help you? I need help reactivating my account. Here, as you can see, we're sorry you're having this experience here. You will need your username, which is required. Identify the account you're attempting to get help with on Twitter. So this will be our username again, the NFT sphere. And here it's just an email address. This is not your email address from Twitter. You have to put your own email address that you have access to so that Twitter can contact you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So here, you can just describe the problem. You can just say, hey, I've been having trouble logging into my account. I don't know my email or I don't know my phone number or both. If that's the case, and yeah, then you can just submit. So after you submit, Twitter will reach out within 24 to 36 hours and they will be able to give you the answer and they will be able to recover your account without email and phone number. Now this is the best way to contact Twitter. Again, you can do the same on your mobile phone and on your smartphone devices, and if it's not working, because sometimes you get errors, then you will need to go on your computer and reactivate your account on your computer this way. And as you can see here, also a couple of things that you have to be aware of. So definitely read that before going to recover your account. Now I hope this helps. I know it's a quick tutorial, but I hope this helps. It definitely helped me when I was recovering my Twitter account. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for watching.